Hello, I'm Lauren Spencer.
And I'm Anna Turin.
And today we will be discussing our Taking Sides video 2. Today we are discussing the issue, is homosexuality biologically based? Well, Anna and I agreed that we believe there is no proven scientific evidence of the homosexuality being biologically based. After studying the articles, we both felt that the postnatal environment and socialization can be a factor in sexual orientation, but in the end, each case is individual and cannot be generalized by the current research. We believe that homosexuality is not biologically based due to the fact that there's not really any scientific evidence that proves so. From reading the articles, we noticed that there's no hard evidence to prove the biological base of homosexuality, and that the majority of the strong evidence provided by, what is his name? Balt? How do you say it? In the Yes article, that says animals, which includes the study of fruit flies and the gay sheep observations. This evidence was about how do the innate instincts of animals compare to the complexity of human sexual and romantic responses. It's not a really fair comparison. How do you guys compare a fruit fly wanting to get with another fruit fly with the basic and emotional complexities of humans? That doesn't work. As we've already said, from reading the articles, we didn't see any hard research that proves the biological base of homosexuality. Jones' article states, if there are different brain structures between homosexuals and heterosexuals, it could as well be the result of homosexuality rather than the cause of the sexual behavior, sexual preference. This kind of means that there's a distinction between learning and hardwiring, meaning hardwiring would be the biological and learning would be environmentally being influenced. And there's this really close line that we haven't discovered yet through our research, so we really can't say that homosexuality is biological, but we can't even say it's not yet. We just don't know.
I'm here to talk about the research that proves that environmental and socialization are factors in sexual orientation. The first study we looked at is fraternal birth order research. This was studied by Ray Blanchard and a bunch of other scientists. This study says that sexual orientation in men correlates with the individual's number of older brothers, not sisters. The research also states that boys born later in the siblingships are more likely to be homosexual than boys born earlier in the birth order. And each older brother increases the odds of homosexuality by 33%. But this study also has a major flaw. Many studies were conducted on non-representative samples, meaning that the samples could have been biased. For example, later-born gay men might be overrepresented because of the fact that they were more encouraged to be out in the crowd and to go participate in gay pride events and LGBT groups. They may be less gender-conforming and more likely to flaunt their sexuality, where early-born gay men may have not had that opportunity. The second study we looked at was the familial structural impact, studied by Behrman and Brooklener. This studies gender fraternal twins with sisters and homosexual brothers. The study says that same-sex attraction in the brother is more than doubled to 16% over the base rate of 7 to 8%. The text states, we saw that adolescent male opposite-sex twins are twice as likely as expected to report same-sex attraction, and that the pattern of concordance of same-sex preference for sibling pairs does not suggest genetic influence independent of social context. They suggest that the parents have failed to differentiate sexual identities due to handling a mixed-sex twin pair. When a mixed-sex twin pair is born into a family with an older brother, however, the rate of same-sex attraction decreases due to the parents being better prepared to differentiate sexual identity. The results of this study support the hypothesis that less gendered socialization in early childhood and pre-adolescence shapes subsequent same-sex tendencies.
So for our additional research, we kind of struggle trying to figure something out for additional research because researching and testing such a very complex topic is really tough. The majority of these articles, though, had scientific research, and although that helped trying to understand, it really wasn't personal, and it really did give us information from different people's perspectives. So we thought that any additional research should come from personal experiences from either homosexual individuals or families with homosexual individuals, just to get more of a first-hand account and give some more insight to the situation so it doesn't seem so out of touch.
In conclusion, due to the studies that we've researched, we can't really come to a conclusion that sexual orientation is more biologically based, but from what we've seen, it seems that there's more hard evidence that it's environmentally based. So,
in the end, we realized that each case and each person is individual, meaning we can't really categorize them based with our current research and the current scientific information we have.
The end.